question number 4 of exercise number 2.3. Prove that. Prove that means you need to prove the answer of your left hand side to the right hand side. So first of all we will take our left hand side value, left hand side. Put the semicolon. When you are writing your question and when you are writing your values, see if we have a minus sign in the denominator, you need to put in the numerator. It's just for confusing yourself. Now I am writing the left hand side part, but I will put the denominator sign with the numerator. Minus 1 over 2. Then I have plus 3 over 5 plus 1 over 4. We always solve the bracket first. Smaller bracket, curly bracket, then scale bracket, big bracket. But I will solve this bracket first. So minus 1 over 2 plus. See, we have two fractional value with the addition sign. For addition and subtraction of fractional value, we always take the LCM. So we will find the LCM first. LCM is started with 2. 2, 5 is not possible with 2. 2 times 2, 4. Then again with 2, 5 is not possible. 2, 1 times 2. Now 5, 1 times 5. 2 times 2, 4. 4, 5 times 20. It means LCM is 20. 3 over 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Multiply the numerator plus 1 over 4. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. Multiply in the numerator. Now we have to solve this. 3 4 times 12, 5 4 times 20. 5 1 times 5 and 4 5 times 20. Now the LCM are same. So take the common LCM and add the above values. 12 plus 5, the answer will be 17 over 20. Now see, we have two fractional value with the addition and subtraction sign. But we need to take the LCM again. So 2 and 20. So we will take the LCM again. 2 and 20. 2 1 times 2, 2 10 times 20. 2 1 times 2, 2 5 times 20. 5 1 times 5 and 5 1 times 20. Again 2 times 2 4. 4 5 times 20. The LCM is 20. Again LCM is 20. So now we will take our values again. See, minus 1 over 2. 2 times 10 is 20. So multiply in the numerator. Plus 21 times 20. So multiply in the numerator. When will we get the single answer? When we will get the single answer, the bracket will be removed. The brackets are removed. Now 10 1 times 10 with minus sign. 10 2 times 20 plus 17 1 times 17 and 2 10 times 20. Now see, LCM are same. Now take the common LCM. Common LCM will be 20 minus 10 plus 17. So see, minus plus minus. Minus plus minus. So 17 minus 10, the answer will be 7. But sign of bigger value. So this is your equation 1. We can't cross 7 and 20 with the same number. So the answer of left hand side is plus 7 over 20. Now I am solving the right hand side. Right hand side. Right hand side is when you are writing the question again, so you need to put the denominator sign with the numerator. Minus 1 over 20 plus 3 over 5 plus 1 over 4. Always solve the bracket first. But in the bracket we have addition and minus sign, so it means you need to find the LCM. LCM of 2 and 5. So we will find LCM of 2 and 5. 2 1 times 2, 5 is not possible. 5 1 times 5 and 5 1 times 5. So 2 5 times 10. LCM is 10. So minus 1 over 2. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. Multiply in the numerator. Then we have 3 over 5. 5 2 times 10. Multiply in the numerator. plus 1 over 4. Now multiply your values. Minus 5 over 10 plus 6 over 10. Now see, LCMs are same. So take the common LCM. Minus 5 plus 6 plus 1 over 4. Minus plus minus. So 6 minus 5, 1. But sign of bigger value. Now you can remove the bracket because we got the single answer. Now again see, LCM are not same. Take the common LCM, 10 and 4. 2, 5 times 10 and 2 times 4. 5 is not possible. 2, 5, 1 times 5. 2, 1 times 2 and 5, 1 times 5 and 5, 1 times 5. 2 times 2, 4, 4, 5 times 20. LCM is 20. So you need to multiply your values. 10 multiplied by 2 is 20. Multiply in the numerator. Then we have 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. Multiply in the numerator. Now 2 1 times 2 and 10 2 times 20 plus 5 1 times 5 and 4 5 times 20. Now see, LCM are same. So we need to take the common LCM. Common LCM is 20 plus 2 plus 5. See, plus 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 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 over 20. This is the equation 2. Now see, left hand side is equals to right hand side. Answers are same. Put the sign of bigger value. 5 is bigger. Write it thus. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. Draw the ending line. Now, so these are the steps for solving the fractional value. First of all, you need to find the left hand side. Then you need to find the right hand side and see your answer. If the answer are same, it means your question is right. Now I am solving the next question. And the next question is minus 5 over 8 multiplied by 4 over 7 minus 2 over 3. Then we have minus 5 over 8 multiplied by 4 over 7 minus 5 over 8 multiplied by 2 over 3. First of all, we need to solve the left hand side. So write down the left hand side. Minus 5 over 8 multiply 4 over 7 minus 2 over 3. Always solve the bracket first. So in bracket we have minus sign. It means we need to find the LCM. LCM of 7 and 3. LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. So we will check. 7 times 3 is 21. Multiply in the numerator. Minus 3 times 7 is 21. Multiply in the numerator. Now we have 4 3 times 12 over 21. 2 7 times 14 over 21. Now see, LCM are same. Take the common LCM. Minus 5 over 8 plus 21. 12 minus 14. Single value sign is plus. It's mean. This is the sign of multiplication. Plus minus minus. 14 minus 2 is possible. So 14 minus 2 is 2, but sign of bigger value over 21. Multiply. We got the single answer, but I will not remove the bracket because we have a sign of multiplication. When we have two signs at the same time, we need to put the bracket. Now, first of all, we need to solve the bracket first. Minus minus plus. When we are adding and subtracting, so put the sign of bigger value. But when we will multiply, the sign will change. Minus minus plus. Now you can open the bracket. See, cutting is possible. 5 and 8, no. 2 and 21, no. but 2 1 times 2 and 2 4 times 8 is possible. Now the answer will be, answer is plus 5 over 4 multiply 1 over 21. So 5 1 times 5 and 4 times 21 is 4 1 times 4, 4 2 times 8. So this is the equation 1. Now I am solving the right hand side. Right hand side. Right hand side is minus 5 over 8 multiplied by 4 over 7 minus 5 over 8 multiplied by 2 over 3. Understand the nature of the question. Now we have the sign of multiplication. We will see the crossing. 5 over 8 is not possible. 4 over 7 is not possible. But 4 and 8 is possible. So you can cross 4 1 times 4 and 4 2 times 8. And for this, again, 5 over 8 is not possible, but 2 1 times 2 and 2 4 times 8 is possible. Now multiply all your values, minus sign, and we have 5 1 times 5 and 2 7 times 14. Now we have two signs, minus minus plus. When the sign will multiply, the sign will change, minus minus plus. Now you can open the bracket, 5 1 times 5, 4 3 times 12. Now see, we have addition and subtraction sign with two LCM. LCM are not same. So you need to find the common LCM first. 14 and 12. Started with 2. 2 7 times 14, 2 6 times 12. 7 is not possible with 2. 2 3 times 6. Now 3, 7 is not possible. 3 1 times 3. 7 1 times 7 and 7 1 times 7. 2 times 2 4, 4 3 times 12 and 12 7 times 84. So the LCM is 84. Now minus 5 over 14. See, 14 times which number? So you can check with 14. 14 2 times 2, 4 times 8, 2 1 times 2 is not possible. Check with like we have 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 1 on the carry, 4 1 times 4 and 5. Not possible. Check with 6. 6 4 times 4, 2 on the carry, 6 1 times 6 7 8. Yes, it's possible with 6. It means 14 6 times 84 multiply in the numerator. Then we have 12. 12 7 times 84 multiply in the numerator. Now minus 5 6 times 30 over 84, then 35 over 84. Now we have same LCM, draw the line, take the common LCM, minus 30 plus 35. See, minus plus minus, minus plus minus. 35 minus 30 is possible, so 5. But sign of bigger value, and 84. We can't cross 5 and 84 with the same number because 5 is the odd number and 84 is the even number. This is the equation 2. See, equation 1, 5 over 84, equation 2, 5 over 84. Thus, left hand side is equals to right hand side. Draw the ending line. So this is proved. When your answer are same, it means the question is right. So left hand side must be equal to right hand side because prove that verification means left hand side must be equal to right hand side. Thank you.